Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to upload Behance project. First, log into your account. Once inside, on the top right, click on this Share Your Work button, then select Project. Now, you will be able to start building your project. You can go and start by adding an image, text, photo grid, video and audio, embed, Lightroom, prototype, and 3D. First, I will add an image. So just go and select one from your device that you want to add on your project. Here, you can go and make it a full image or not if you want to. You can also go and add a text. So just go and type in anything you want. After that, you can also go and add in a video or audio. So just go and upload one. And you will see confirmation that your file has uploaded successfully and is being converted into a web-friendly format. Now, you can also go and add a photo grid. So just go and select an image for them and then open it. Now, you'll have different photos for that grid. Here, you can also change its style by changing the background color to whatever you want. You can also go and decrease the content spacing. Then, you can also go to settings, and in here, you can edit your cover image or your thumbnail. So just go and click on the plus sign button, and then select the image that you want for your project. Here, you can go and zoom it in or out, or drag it. Once done, click on the crop button. Now, you can give a title for it. You can also add tags for your projects so that it has a higher chance to be seen by others. You can also now add a category for it. So just go and select one based on your project and click on Done. You can also add what tools you used. And now for the visibility, click on the drop down and make sure that you choose based on the audience that you want. After that, you can now go and publish it. And through that, you'll be able now to upload your first project on Behance. And that's just basically it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.